There's a moment most companies overlook, and it's costing them more than they realize. It's the unboxing moment. That's not just packaging. That's the beginning of the customer relationship. It's where emotion and brand perception are first felt. I worked with teams who helped brands like GoPro treat packaging like theater. And it worked. Because great packaging isn't about cost. It's about connection. If you're in a traditional industry, manufacturing, packaging, anything product-led, and you're tired of being stuck in a procurement race, read my latest article. It's attached here. It's time to turn the box into a brand asset.